All right, go.
Elizabeth, I want to tell you something.
Can't burp.
I'm going to tell you something. You ready to hear it?
You're gonna burp and he's gonna put it.
No, I'm going to tell you something.
Promise?
I promise.
See, I promise to God. Dad.
I promise.
Dad.
All right, I'm going to tell you. I'm going to give you Daisy. She's going home with you today.
Yeah. Sure, you're lying.
And that sounds like
Wow. Wow, you're so excited.
I'm very excited.
Lily, your mom spoke to Theo Douglas and she said you can have Daisy. Oh man. Daisy's like, please no.
Please, no.
Please take me back.
Really?
Yeah, your mom said yes.
So that's her dog?
Yep.
That sucks.
No, Luke, it's great. Because you know what? When the dog's bothering at night, whatever, it's Lily that has to take care of it, not you.
Finally, I don't have to pick up the dog's poop.
Lily, you ready to pick up dog poop?
No.
You're going to have to.
You're going to have to. She's going to be your responsibility.
Lily,
That's
Lily, are you ready to clean up the pee when she pees in your mother's shoes?
Well, when she pees on your bed,
She'll sleep with, I don't have a bedroom.